Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to float your notes window on your MacBook, and basically to keep your note in front of other windows when you open them. So first of all, I need to do is click on window and click on open note in a new window, so it would be like a separate one. If you already have this, that's great. And this is the note, for example, I want to bring on top of other windows. So first of all, you will choose this note, then you go window, and after that you're gonna click keep on top. Sometimes it says float on top, but basically you keep click on keep on top, and when you go to the to any website, for example, your note will stick on top. So I'm just gonna click it on top, and as you can see now, you can scroll and write something down, any news and so on, or whatever you're doing. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you keep on top your notes on Mac. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.